Welcome, video game enthusiasts and lovers of exceptional visual experiences. Today, I am excited to introduce you to a product that will revolutionize the way you play. The YEYIAN Model Sigurd curved gaming monitor, with incredible, breathtaking features. Buckle up, because this is not just a screen, it's a gateway to an unparalleled gaming world. Click on the link in the description to learn more about these unique features, see the thousands of reviews left by satisfied customers, and order yours now. The YEYIAN Sigurd curved gaming monitor is aimed at all video game enthusiasts and fans of immersive visual experiences. Whether you are a seasoned gamer, seeking visual perfection, or a digital entertainment enthusiast, this product is designed to provide you with exceptional performance and unmatched image quality. Discover a new dimension of gaming with the YEYIAN Sigurd curved gaming monitor. Click the link in the description to own it at the best price right now. Imagine diving into a universe where every movement is incredibly sharp, where details come to life with stunning clarity. With a blazing 1 millisecond response time, a maximum resolution of Full HD 1080p, and an impressive refresh rate of 200 Hz, the YEYIAN Sigurd is much more than just a monitor. It is your gateway to visually intense adventures. But that's not all, my friends. Thanks to AMD FreeSync technology, say goodbye to latency and choppy images. The screen adapts to your gaming pace, eliminating any screen tearing. Immerse yourself in vibrant colors with a range of 16.7 million shades and a 96% sRGB. To experience this visual experience, own this screen with just one click on the link in the description and see thousands of happy customer reviews. Admire every detail with a 1650R curvature and optimal viewing angles up to 5.5 inches. You will be captivated by the immersive quality that emanates from this screen. And guess what? Its adaptive and ergonomic design offers you tilt and rotation to find the ideal viewing position. Mount it wherever you want with its VESA 75x75 support, offering endless mounting possibilities. A product that fits your lifestyle and you know where to find it, right? Click the link in the description. Now let's talk about something that is close to our hearts. The health of your eyes. The low blue light technology integrated into the YEYIAN model. Sigurd acts as a shield, filtering out harmful radiation and preserving the health of your eyes. Enjoy vibrant colors without compromising your well-being. You are about to discover a new dimension of gaming. And follow the link in the description and order your YEYIAN Model Sigurd gaming monitor at the best possible price. Now, let's recap the advantages, as well as the disadvantages. Advantage number 1. Ultra-fast refresh rate. Enjoy a lag-free and tear-free gaming experience thanks to a 200 Hz refresh rate, facilitated by NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync. Advantage number 2. Accurate and high-quality color. With stunning brightness and 16.7 million colors in 1080p, the YEYIAN Sigurd offers an exceptional visual palette. Advantage number 3. Wide viewing angles. The 1650R curvature and optimized viewing angles ensure an immersive experience from virtually any position. Advantage number 4. Adaptive and ergonomic design. Tilt, rotation, and compatibility with VESA mounts. 75x75 offers almost unlimited mounting options, adapting to your preferences. Advantage number 5. Low blue light technology. Protect your eyes with a harmful radiation filtering technology, while preserving vibrant colors. Now, let's move on to a few drawbacks. Drawback number 1. Screen size. With a size of 23.6 inches, some users may prefer a larger option for maximum immersion. Disadvantage number 2. Limited availability. Due to high demand, the YEYIAN Sigurd may be out of stock. Be sure to check availability by following the link in the description. In summary, the YEYIAN Sigurd is much more than just a gaming screen. It is an open window to incredible virtual worlds. An exceptional visual experience that you can now have at your fingertips. To learn more about these unique features, see the thousands of reviews left by satisfied customers, and order yours now. Click on the link in the description. Don't miss this opportunity. Place your order now. The YEYIAN Model Sigurd gaming monitor is waiting for you. Thank you for your attention.